When I first built my old portfolio, my hero was just a blaring yellow banner. Embarrassing, right? Today, I want something that says, "Hello, I'm back," with a little more heart. The hero is your handshake with the world. It needs warmth, clarity, and clear call to action. We wrap it in section with the ID of hero. Then drop in our h1, a short paragraph, and anchor tag as a button later. Now let's copy the path and paste it in our browser. Plain but present, a blank canvas ready for style. I often forget aria-label on sections. Learn from my mistakes and name your regions. Pause here, label that section, and make the CTA yours. Now we will commit our page with a message of episode 4 hero section markup. Next time, we will spotlight what you will learn with the 3 card feature section. Can't wait to show you.